good evening, you may. Pacho San we there, lawyer. Good evening.
Hey, evening.
Pacho San we.
Yeah, Vim lady, me ho ya pa. Yes, yeah, crowd for Saturday.
Yeah, my crowd for Saturday me boy demonstration.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yes.
And then na mo ye KUMEPREKO demonstration no. What is the rationale behind it?
Any say Omanpenyi o hwe bebi a watwe oman sikasem ni bibia economy ekosi na. Ne o se ya ne say bre na ye bre ne ye keka no. E o se Omanpenyi di na edwuma si fom. E on fe na edwuma nto fom no nko. On fa na edwuma nto fom no nko because Omanpenyi was say abrabo. I say abrabo kwata was say bibia because na odi kan no. O hwe prices of fuel ene ne ye keka hu ya. Yewu if you say wa woni e che say your savings are eda bank ni nyina ahye by 60% because at the beginning of the year no say there were 6,400 euro bank and I ehye pass ya that's $1,000 but say sia sa sika no enso $400 kra papa into the infant say 6,400 akwa $400 into a che say $600 no ahye edwadifo edwetire ahye ye nyina niam abo akosoro ama ye bre efia nti ni Omanpenyi betimi aya ne se onko eno beboa ye pa
But lawyer mo say one na mo kire sade we school in legal jurisprudence ye hu bi da say president mo be pam no na president be kasa wa resign at least for the public ye hu bi da. Are you saying says I want to way cost one another advice? So worse, so serious say Nanado to mean now 2 years he don't fix it because that no kasi enya chairman. He will fix it, he will deal with it.
Yes, if you imagine say Osha say your history mono Lieutenant General Ankra abra after omutu Kwame Nkrumah ne de ekeka ho no Ankra abra no odi Omanpenyi ya say now there was an allegation say waji bribe wama bribe 6,000 cedi say obi nye opinion polls na yemfa ne di nto so say on we di first on e popular pa e wo Ghana if you say wa wonim sa abakosem 6,000 Ghana so resign here over an allegation concerning 6,000 Ghana. Nti ya wa abakosem e kire say Omanpenyi to me resign na no kro man ye choboy o man ye demonstration say na hwe onu kra soja ni kra ti democracy ase ehun say o man ne say dey bi sa bribe dey wetu ama obi say yen sisa polls a onko ampan so oti ase ekoye nti o say Omanpenyi Ekufuado osua sa abakosem na odi ye ejuma because if you bre the big
but lawyer president Ekufuado tia konwa so mpa o so o manage mpo ne ye bre diesel akodu almost 24 Ghana cedis petrol ewo 18 cedis mo so on resign ye kind of hypothetical say ojitum no resign a hwan na be fix Ghana 2 years yansa ne ato aba because ye beto aba constitution is 2024 otisum po ne ye bre na mo so on resign kwa hwan na be manage country no.
Excellent. If you yes, me I mean say we law student, but we be some ATF constitution interest say KNK Omanpenyi fees wa this 4 years and san yakoto aba they be constitution interest interest say Omanpenyi kwa say yes Omanpenyi ode yenua ba omia omonko because ono the economics no akoye phantom wasted enye economics papa into omumienu no kwa ekonya no bekwa ko di speaker ho na constitution says speaker gia within 3 months no speaker nhwe na electoral commission onye elections nti e kire say speaker je nti enen is Omanpenyi de ejuma no to form na yewura ba omi ono so de ne de to form no mokwa speaker ne bedi na speaker dia within 3 months we must have election. That is what the constitution says nti e kire say nya de a you better until 2024. Maybe you better 2023. So next I said this is November, beginning of November. So December, let's say, so my penny resigning Nigeria, November 2nd. So December 2nd, 1 month. January 2nd, 2 months. So February 2nd, latest, internet in the month of January, no, I'll see elections. So that because 3 months, maybe was February 2nd. Constitutional speaker can say on 3 months. Okay.
Okay.
So we will have early elections. Yes.
But so I will say a constitution say a bit me to about just after the president. Speaker of Parliament who is Right Honorable Bagbin be manage country for 3 months. Me boa. And sana ya to aba. Obe manage institutions nya. How is it that untrusted president? Ghana for nyina even president ya to aba man na e wogidie wo mu no. Ono po na de petrol akodu say. Are you trusting sir speaker ba speaker de obetimi manage Ghana ye? Nye speaker ya no de esika ko Dubai. What is the guarantee say speak about 3 months and the obetimi manage? Are we not going to go into chaos? Why are there 83 company been a experience within 3 months and ya to abano?
There be if you Madrid says speaker if he say ebeye amanfu nyina dress Ghana yetimi agina brane ama man penyi so aye ne efata no.
En wo ni bibi e ya ne kai me. Okay, way back to the Bible. Story be a day, a war. Emra na Israelis no, na wamu war Pharaoh nsem. See, situation say ya. Now, what you say? At a tea no how omu ye day, omu femu. Nyankopon sorry da ko ti omu sufra or smart brand tabi so nkonko yi omu firi nkrasumu no. Tama Moses ekoyi omu odo omu kono. He ko dru baby a ensuo ne da ho yi. Ensuo ne da ho tetetete. Omu twa omu ani a akufo na eye dey ebe what is some for catch Moses o say hey one enti asase a enni Egypt a yewu a obesie ye enti e na odi ba ha se mewu na esere su ana wunima adenti na ko nya ye na ka ya som Pharaoh sa oh yes say no mo kan ye awai babu a Christopher nkono mo ka ombe hu e ma Moses ka kire o mo say Mizrim for muhu muni, a chance to say day, muhu mubim, order for Saturday in Sumu day, a pie, and no film coye. But what I say, ain't you free to training in the pasha, say, or we free at the end 10. Ah, you say, Obia Bow, Edward Cochet, and Quan, your son said no you. Say, and Nedia, or Manu Dintino, Ghana for you, so muhu and another danko for a day. Aye. Munina more 10 against Nanado. Na my margin say, more Sakwa Kofa, John Mahama, a baby. A dear you buy you, monsieur, a dear maybe a bar. Nagana phone in Johnny Free home. A dear maybe near Pesse baby free cry. A dear Tom maybe now to say dinner. Now you must show and a dear you fin tem. Our no crab catcher say, Ghana for your short memory. And penny and part, I didn't reflect to a brabble. And to me, the American can say, yes. I'm a moon more day. And then you know, don't go for the moon, the whole wet. Nearby, and President Bia on him, a quan ben or befast or this sovereign day. A B and another don't go for the Bacacha Ghana for say, or pese or solve our problem. And to Ghana for Nina and Kamum, near Nabotre, near fan solve problem. You do baby and people for so to be and smart. Your men this for 30 piece my near a day, near the city of Dika. I mean, we are doing 100%. A sit day and a Jane. You see a president eba be cancer Ghana for you na ye tra homa ono John Dramani Mahama no eba be to ampia eno kana mintia se oba be kasa as the capacity as what